Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Mascara Monday. Today's video is in a different location. Just realized I had to talk about that because I'm actually in Atlanta with my family. I have another background because I'm actually in my sister's room. So now that that's out of the way, we're gonna talk about the mascara that I want to do today. So this one, it's the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I wanted to talk about this mascara and try this one out because when it first came out, there was a bunch of hype built up around it. And when we got it at work, we sold out and kept getting sold out. Every time it came in, it would be gone. And I know TikTok got everything to do with that. Like, it literally, people would come in and say they saw it on TikTok and then would be sold out. So I wanted to try it for myself, but this one is a volumizing mascara and I know I'm into length and definition. So I want to see how different it is to do something that's truly a volumizing mascara and hope that it doesn't do the clumping and stuff. It says that it doesn't, and people have said that it doesn't for their lashes. So I'm just hoping that it don't get the clumping that people will see when they do volumizing mascaras to get the volume that they're looking for. And then I wanted to start with the questions that I always ask with the mascaras. The first one being, have I tried it before? I have not tried this one before, so I don't know if I like it yet or not. What type of mascara is it? It's a volumizing mascara. Honestly, it says limitless length and full volume, so it might do some length as well. I'm going to do 2 coats like I did last time. I'll do the first coat, show you guys, and then do the second coat. This brush, it says it's a flex tower brush, which you can kind of see. Once I take it out, I'll show too, but if you can kind of see on the packaging how it shows, it looks like it's a silicone one. I wonder if it's hard or soft though. It says on the back that it's a washable mascara, so it doesn't seem like it'd be something that's hard to remove. I'm on the site too trying to see if it says anything about how to remove it. It just says washable, so I'm guessing that it's going to be easy to take off. Like other mascaras, like I said in the first video, you want to replace it every 6 months. So from the time that you open it, you want to replace it every 6 months. The details that they give for this one is that it delivers lightweight lashes, so it doesn't flake or smudge. The brush reaches every lash for full volume and limitless length. The main features of that is oil-free, fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested, allergy tested, ophthalmologist tested, and suitable for sensitive skin. So if you're very sensitive, it shouldn't bother your eyes, because I know there's people out there that I've encountered that literally can't use anything. So this might be a good one. The directions for this, it says, for the best results, you pretty much just hold the mascara's flexible brush against your lashes and extend from root to tip. Oh, you do it repeatedly until desired volume and length is achieved. So they don't really give you an amount of coats anyway, which I feel like no mascara really does. So you probably just do it until you see what you like I said in the first video. Let me go ahead and open it up. And it's a part of the Lash Sensation line, like their regular ones, the Lash Sensational line. And then the Sky High is supposed to be like more volume. Opening it up. Ooh, I think I like this brush. It kind of reminds me of the Bag Out Bang brush from Benefit. So it is like that Flex Tower brush that they were talking about. And the product doesn't look super clumpy either. I like that already, because normally most volumizing ones get really clumpy right away. We'll take that as a win. The brush seems flexible, like it bends, but it's still pretty stiff. But we'll have to see what it does once I get it on my eyelids. We'll go ahead and take my glasses off. So I'll go again. You can see my bare lashes now. And then I'll do one eye and then show you after the one eye. And then I'll do a second coat before I do the first eye. Gotta use a big mirror because I'm not at home. So that was chunky. Wow. This brush puts a lot of product on your lashes. My main fear is that because of how long my lashes are, I'm gonna get product all over the place because it feels super wet. Like this is a really wet formula. From what I can tell, I actually like how this looks. It's just hard to get the inner corners. But there's my bare eye. And then the Sky High eye. The main thing I noticed right now is that this formula is super wet, so it feels like I have to be careful with what I do while it dries, because I feel like it will get all over the place. Like it don't dry down like I'm used to with mascaras. But this is after one coat. I do like how it looks though. Like it's not clumpy or anything. What? Do I need another coat? All right, for the sake of the series, we'll do a second coat. All right, I really didn't get to do a second coat like I wanted to. I feel like this is a one coat type of mascara. I did apply a little, like maybe to the end of my lash and a little on the front, but like I could see that it was starting to clump up as I put it over the top of the first coat. So I don't think you can really do 2 coats of this one because a lot of product comes out the first time around. But here's my bare eye versus maybe 1.5, 2 coats. We'll say 1.5. Now I'm gonna do my other eye to match this eye. All right, 1 coat versus 1.5 or 2 coats. And now I'm gonna do mainly filling in like the first one. All right. So this is 1.5 or 2 full coats of the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. All right, put my glasses on. Let me see. Okay, so this, I can see where they get the length and definition because like I said, it put a lot of product on your lashes. So it's going to give you a good amount of length, but I feel like it's lengthening with your natural lash if it's longer. If you have short lashes, I don't feel like this one is gonna build and help give you length. It's for lashes that are already long. So if you have long lashes that don't have a lot of volume, this is probably good because it does seem like it does give volume. I will say with that, I'm seeing some parts, not too many, some parts that you have to be super careful because your lashes can plump a little bit, but towards the bottom, I'm not super picky, but on this side, if you can see, it's a little clumpy down over here, but otherwise it's not horrible. The main thing I noticed is that, like I said, this formula is wet. I don't have that much experience with wet formula, so I don't necessarily know when to check when it's dry. I just leave it alone. But I feel like if I open my eyes, I might get some transfer on my eyelids because I have longer lashes. So I don't know necessarily how long it's going to take to dry. I know it don't take super long, but like I said, typically I put it on and I go. So I'm not thinking about letting it dry first before I head out or do whatever I gotta do. So that's gonna be my main thing with this one. But otherwise, I like how it looks. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think that's pretty much it about this one. They got some precautions on the mascara as well. It's pretty much the same thing, like reserve it for personal use, so don't share it with people. Treat the applicator with hygienic care that you give your eyes. Never apply this in the moving vehicle. Somebody sued them for that. They had to have sued them for that. And don't dilute with water, saliva, or any other substance. So if it starts to get clumpy, don't try and put nothing in it to dilute it. I don't know why you would be using saliva. That is disgusting, but whatever. You would cap it tightly after use, and it says if the change in odor or appearance occurs, discontinue use. That's probably one of the main things. If it don't start to act like or look like what your mascara was when you first opened it, and that's probably with any of them, stop using it because mess around and have an eye infection in a minute. Probably learned that from my mother. And then I think it says don't use this or any other cosmetic if your eye is injured, irritated, or infected. You probably shouldn't put anything on your face. If you have anything that's irritated on your face, you're only gonna make it worse. I like how this looks. I'm gonna take my glasses off one more time. Looking up is scary because like I said, the formula is still kind of wet. But then, like I said, I think it's good for longer lashes for length because it'll help kind of really define the length that you have with your natural lashes. But if you have short lashes, it's not going to build and help you get longer lashes. But the volumizing part, that's definitely there. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button at the bottom. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. What are you doing?